Morning, Judge. We're approaching on Mrs. Troy Britton. This is the one that, oh, you weren't here yesterday, Judge. Judge Jackson was here yesterday. We were trying to do something, but I asked to bring my client here so she can know what's going on.
So Judge, the original approach yesterday, while Judge Jackson filled in, was the man jurisdiction requested an extension of 2 days, which she granted because it's 2 days and typically do that. But Ricardo wanted the accused to come to court so that it could be a more formal understanding of what's happening. And during that time for this morning is Ricardo's not telling me she is wanting to have a bond set by the court. State as opposed.
Yeah, this is the one where she's like 17 and she's got already like
She's had 7
half-
charges,
yeah.
2 of them
She's
failure.
19, Judge.
okay, 19,
19.
right? Yeah. Sorry, I can't. Just you scare me, man. I can't. They're all very violent cases now. You know, you're wanted at state for another. You know, sorry.
Judge, if I may,
Sure.
in talking to my client, you know, she's made valid points to me. And of course, I'm just.
I know you're advocating for your client, and I'm never going to begrudge anyone for advocating. It's your job, I know. But you're 19 years old. You've got 7 priors already. You're wanted out of another state. There are multiple aggravated assault cases. You've got 2 failure to appears. At some point, we have to say when. And now's that point. You scared me, really. I don't want anything else to happen. So,
So the extension was originally granted by Judge Jackson out to the, I want to misspeak. 24th.
I'm not doing any more. If they don't come here by that point, she gets released. Okay? All right. Thanks.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks, Your Honor.
So, Ms. Young, coming up.
Good evening, morning.
Don't look at his computer.
Sorry, I was trying to get the time from him.
How's jail?
Evening. Sorry,
How's jail? Shh.
treating us beautiful.
You know, we can't get you to come. We can't get you to appear.
What happened was this time?
No, but there's always an excuse. It's really easy to just pick up a phone and call Josh. How hard is that? You know, that's all we literally ask you to do is remain in contact with your lawyer. That's all you got to do.
Yes, sir.
We've repeatedly tried 4 different times. Your lawyer's asking me to let you out to get in this program, but I know if I let you out, you're just going to
No, sir.
take off.
I'll do the program. That's not the problem, sir. Honestly, with the phone situation, that's how he has a whole different number since last time I came. I don't even have that number anymore. And with the transportation part, I don't have a car. So the way I move around is either using the bus or my feet, sir. And last time that I did come, I came on my own. No one told me to come. No one called me. I knew I ended up missing it and I came.
Unless you're wearing orange. That's the only time we see you.
No,
You
sir,
don't-
I turned myself in. I came in myself after I missed my court date and I came in by myself.
When?
I can't give you a date, but if you look on there, I sat here and waited till everybody even left.
Guys, did she turn herself in or she got arrested? Can you tell? If you turn yourself in,
I
that
came
would
to
make me
court.
very happy. But if you just got arrested and that's why we have you,
Sir. No, sir, I came to court.
Young, she's on the jail doc. Last page, I think. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me.
I'm not trying to fool anybody, sir. Are you able to look that up for me?
It's okay, yeah.
Okay. Is it on there? Because it was like 2 days, yeah, like it was 2 days after my court date, I came. No one called me, I just knew I missed it and I didn't have a ride, but I made sure to get up there because that's how I got my date reset the first time.
Looks like the booking date was the 12th, Judge, but I don't know. That's all I can see from my side.
That's when I came to talk. I've been here since.
Where did you come to?
Sir?
Where did you go to? Did you turn yourself in the jail? Is that what you're saying?
Sir, I went to the Franklin Street, if I'm not mistaken, Franklin, 1200 Franklin, where all the court is at. Where I was supposed to go the first time. 1200 Franklin, if I'm not mistaken.
It was on Sunday though. Was it over the weekend?
Honestly, I don't even remember what day. Oh, this time? Yes, sir. I can't.
Let me, you know what we could do is we could do this, is that if we're going to do this, you know how we do that release that we release to people?
Right.
Something like that. So we know that she gets to the P180 place. Where is it? Where did they do the interview? Do you know?
I guess because it's not like an inpatient facility, would it be different if it's?
Where does it happen? Do you know? Do you know where the interview happens, Josh?
I'm not sure like physically where it is, the P180. I'm checking the state though. Because I guess she wouldn't be released to that program. She'd just be released and have to.
Do you have a date already for it? Do you have a date for it?
There's like a way to book it online, but they said that you have to send a contract, a PTI, P180 contract. So, which I think is what we have now. So I think we should be able to schedule it now.
Okay, so let's do this. Schedule it, get a date, and then I'll put a GPS monitor on her prior to release. I'm not going to do this again. You ever take off on me again, I swear on everything that's holy, that'll be the 5th time. Do you understand? So I'm not giving you a PR bond now to just wait, get a date. We'll set it for like the day before, and then we'll give her a PR bond with a GPS prior to release. The instruction is she goes directly to get the interview done, and then we'll go from there. But I'm not going to continue to play this game.
But I'm not playing the game, sir. It's been cold. Like, what do you expect? It's been 20 degrees, sir. 20 degrees. You know how hard that is to actually stay.
Your finger's so frozen that you can't make a phone call?
Sir, I just got the phone. That's what I'm telling you.
If you need resources, we can give it to you. If you need a phone, if you need a tablet, if you need food, we have resources to give you. But you take off, you don't call, you don't come to court. So what are we supposed to think? And we just can't keep, I've got 4 different times. I can't continue to do the same thing.
We'll get the schedule.
Do it and we'll see. Okay. What time does court start, sir?
Court starts at, I just read the sign, 8:30, sir.
What time did you get here?
I got at felony court at 8 o'clock, sir.
Oh, you had felony court today?
Yes, sir. Excuse my absence, sir.
It's okay. I mean, if you had felony court, then I'm not going to ding you.
Or 183 Judge Lane or something like that. Just been appointed January 1st.
So the one that's in 13 is getting transferred here? You've now picked up your 3rd case.
Yes, sir.
You were not, don't say anything. You're charged with possession of marijuana again. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir. All right.
Your Honor, which possession case are we doing PC on, the one ending in 562 or the 96?
Let's do, 562. And then we'll do the other one right after.
Okay. On January 6, 2025, the officer conducted a traffic stop on the 3100 block of West Middle York Road for the defendant's vehicle having a defective passenger tail light. And the officer made contact with the defendant, the driver, with a passenger. The defendant gave permission for the officer to search the vehicle. And the officer observed a clear bag of green leafy substance, which emitted an odor of marijuana between the passenger seat and the center console. The defendant admitted the bag was his, and the substance was known to be marijuana based on training experience. The weight was 50.4 grams or 1.77 ounces.
You have a license. You said he was a driver?
He was the driver and the car had a defective passenger taillight.
Can you tell me if there's a valid license, please?
It's eligible, Your Honor.
Now let's do it on the new case, please.
Yes, Judge. So on January 10th, 2025, the officer stopped the vehicle for a defective stop lamp. The officer made contact with the driver And while trying to confirm the vehicle VIN from the front windshield, it was blocked with a white card. So he asked the driver if he could open the driver door to confirm the VIN number. And the defendant, the driver, agreed. And while the door was open, the officer saw a small bag of marijuana in the driver door compartment. The officer detained the defendant, and the weight of the marijuana was 0.289 ounces and was known to be marijuana based on training experience.
Stops today, Mr. Martin. I will test you 45 days from today. And if you test positive for marijuana, I'm going to revoke your bond and put you in. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
No more smoking marijuana. I'm making it a condition of your bond. Do you need a court-appointed lawyer, sir?
Yes, sir, for right now.
I'll have you fill out an application. If you qualify, I will provide you a lawyer.
The second defendant's situation is spiraling fast. 3 separate marijuana-related cases, repeated traffic stops. And now the judge is openly warning him that a 4th arrest could completely destroy any remaining patience the court has. And notice how the judge keeps telling him to stay quiet.
You know, but
I have the right to speak.
no, don't.
Yes, sir.
You have the right to remain silent. I have a bunch of DAs here. Whatever you say, they're going to try to use it against you. I'm just trying to impart to you that a 3rd case, it's not a happy thing. Morning, Mr. Chapel. Do you have a lawyer today?
Sir,
Do you have a lawyer today?
I can't get court-appointed.
I'll have you fill out an application. I'll see whether you qualify and we'll go from there. Okay? Please.